Hello. So today we have one question. The question is that the value of the integral x e power x dx by 1 plus x square is equal to what? Four options are there. Option A, B, C, and D. E power x by 1 plus x whole square plus C, and like this. Here C is the nothing but the only arbitrary constants. So to solve this integral, what we have the integral x e power x dx equals to 1 plus x whole square. So to solve this integral, actually basically we will use the one formula of the integration. And what is the formula? That is e power x. If we have the any expression in this form, f of x plus f dash of x into dx, so this is simply written as e power x into fx प्लस आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट सी. दिस इज द कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. मतलब अगर किसी फंक्शन को हम एक्सपोनेंशियल एक्स एफ एक्स प्लस एफ डैश एक्स का मतलब डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ एक्स, एफ डैश एक्स का मतलब डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ एक्स, अगर इस तरीके से हम किसी फंक्शन को वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट, सो वी विल डायरेक्टली राइट दिस इंटीग्रेशन as the e power x into fx. So let us see how to express this whole expression as the product of e power x and the sum of the function and its integral part. Okay, so let us take the integrand part. The integrand part is x e power x upon 1 plus x whole square. So e power x we have to keep it in the product, so e power x we will leave it as it is, and this is x by 1 plus x whole square. So this actually we have to express at the sum of the two function in which one function is the differential coefficient of the others. So what we I am going to do here, I am going to add 1 and subtract 1. So this x we can express as, because this is x, so we can add 1 and subtract 1, simple. And this is 1 plus x whole square. Now what we will do, now I will separate this function. So this is e power x, and when you separate this, so you will get 1 plus x by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Now e power x, this is e power x. Okay, this is e power x, and 1 plus x plus 1 plus x, 1 power will cancel from here, so you will left with 1 plus x only, and this is minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square, minus 1 1 plus x whole square. Now pay attention on these two terms. Clearly you can see this is 1 by 1 plus x and this is minus 1 by 1 plus x होल स्क्वायर. मतलब क्या है कि अगर हम 1 बाय 1 प्लस एक्स का जो फंक्शन हमारे पास है, अगर हम इस फंक्शन का डी डी एक्स निकालें, मीन्स अगर डिफरेंशियल कोफिशिएंट निकालें, आई एम जस्ट वेरीफाइंग इट. Okay, so this will become what? 1 plus x whole power minus 1. Now the differentiation formula says that is the d dx of x power n is an x power n minus 1. So using this formula, when you differentiate it, it will become minus 1 into 1 plus x minus 1 is minus 2, and again differentiation of this function will result as 1 only, so no change. That means minus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus x whole square. So it means this function is the product of, sorry, differential coefficient of this. So now we have expressed this term as the sum of the two function in which one is the differential coefficient of the other. So this means now this expression I can write down as, this expression integral I can write down x e power x. E power x is already written here in the product, so this means this is e power x into 1 by 1 plus x 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square into dx. Now this is the form of this formula, that is e power x into f of x. Here f of x is this function 1 by 1 plus x, and this is the differential coefficient of this one. So now directly using this formula I can write it as e power x into fx, and fx is 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus x, and this is the constant of integration. So finally what we have got our answer, that is the answer we have got. Okay, so answer we have got e power x upon 1 plus x, 1 plus x plus constant of integration c. Now see which one is the correct option. E power x 1 by 1 plus x plus c. It means c is the correct option, rest all are incorrect. Thank you for watching the video.